Hello everyone and welcome to Algebra 1. Welcome to the new video of Algebra 1 and this is the Maths Dome. And today we are going to talk about power rule with rational exponents. And if you haven't watched our previous videos, then I would recommend that you go ahead and watch the previous videos. In previous videos, we have done multiplication and division with rational exponents and introduction to radicals and what are rational exponents. So today we are going to do power rule with rational exponents. So let's begin. Now, first of all, I want to write what is actually power rule. So I'm going to write it here. Power rule. Power rule of exponents tells us that if we have an integer raised to the exponent m, and this is again raised to exponent n. So in that case, the exponents get multiplied. Okay, here our exponents were integers. Now the same power rule will work when you have rational exponents. So let's take an example. Let's say we have 64 times s, and this thing is raised to the exponent 1 over 3. Okay, one more rule I want to write out over here. This is the identity. If you have a times b raised to exponent q, then this is equal to a raised to q and b raised to q. Okay, so this is what we are going to do now. So let's try this problem. Oops, where is my cursor? Okay. How about I change my color to blue? Okay, so I'm going to apply the second identity, this one. So this one will become 64 raised to 1 over 3 times s raised to 1 over 3. And how will you find the 1/3 power of 64? Now see, 64 can be written as 4 cube because 4 times 4 times 4 will give you 64. So then you will apply now in 4 cube raised to 1 over 3. So you multiply 3 and 1 over 3 and you'll get 4. And the answer is 4 times s raised to 1 over 3. Okay, let's take one more example. Example number 2. What if the base is negative? Let's say negative r raised to 3 over 5. So in this case, you have negative 1 is multiplied by r. So now this exponent 3 over 5 will come on negative 1 and it will also come on r. So you will get negative 1 raised to 3 over 5 times r raised to 3 over 5. Okay. So this gives you negative 1 and this gives you r raised to 3 over 5. So the final answer is negative r raised to 3 over 5. All right, let's take another example. Example number 3. Let's say s raised to -4 raised to 5 over 6. So I'm going to use this identity, first one. So let me name them. Number 1, number 2. So first I'm going to use number 1. So we get s raised to -4 times 5 over 6. So that is equal to s raised to -20 over 6. And if you reduce 20 over 6, you're going to get s raised to -10 over 3. And then you can apply the negative exponent rule. So you take reciprocal of s. So it gives you 1 over s raised to 10 over 3. Easy, right? Okay, let's take one last example. Oops, where is my cursor? Example number 4. V times W raised to -3 over 4. So here I'm going to first apply the second identity. So I will get V raised to -3 over 4 times W raised to -3 over 4. So this becomes 1 over V raised to 3 over 4, and this becomes 1 over W raised to 3 over 4. So it can also be written as 1 over V raised to 3 over 4 and W raised to 3 over 4. All right, so this was all about the power rule with rational exponents. So it works in the same way, just how it works for your normal integer exponents. In the similar way, it works for rational exponents. So I hope this was clear to you, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, The Math Stone. See you next time.